Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic I'm so passionate about, maintaining youthful, radiant skin. We all age, and that's beautiful. But who doesn't want that gorgeous, healthy glow? I truly believe that beautiful skin is achievable for everyone. And it's not just about expensive creams or treatments. It's about understanding your skin, listening to its needs, and adopting a holistic approach that incorporates skincare, diet, and lifestyle choices. So, whether you're just starting your skincare journey or looking for expert tips to enhance your routine, you're in the right place. Get ready to uncover the secrets to youthful skin. Let's get started. Okay, let's kick things off with the most crucial step in any skincare routine: sun protection. It's not just about avoiding sunburn, it's about preserving the health and youthfulness of your skin. You've probably heard it a million times, but I can't stress enough how important sunscreen is. It's your first line of defense against the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays. Think of sunscreen as your invisible shield against premature aging. It helps prevent those pesky wrinkles and fine lines that can make you look older than you are. The sun's UV rays are incredibly damaging, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. Over time, these effects can accumulate, making your skin look dull and aged. That's why, rain or shine, you need to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day. Even on cloudy days, up to 80% of UV rays can penetrate your skin. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Water and sweat can wash away sunscreen, leaving your skin unprotected. But sunscreen isn't enough. You can level up your sun protection game by seeking shade during peak hours, rocking those stylish sunglasses and wearing wide-brimmed hats. These additional measures can significantly reduce your exposure to harmful UV rays. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is the best investment you can make for a youthful complexion that lasts a lifetime. Consistent sun protection can keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant. Trust me on this one. Make sun protection a daily habit, and your skin will thank you for years to come. Now let's talk about hydration, the secret to that plump, dewy and youthful glow. Hydration is the cornerstone of healthy, vibrant skin, and it's something we should all prioritize in our daily routines. Just like our bodies need water to function correctly, our skin craves hydration to stay healthy and radiant. Without adequate hydration, our skin can become dry, flaky, and lose its natural luster. Think of it this way: when your skin is dehydrated, it's like a dry sponge, dull, rough, and prone to fine lines. Dehydrated skin can also lead to increased sensitivity and irritation, making it more susceptible to environmental damage. But when it's well hydrated, it's like a plump, juicy, grape-smooth, bouncy and glowing. Hydrated skin is resilient, more elastic, and better able to repair itself. So, how do we achieve that enviable hydration? First and foremost, drink up. Water is essential for maintaining skin's moisture balance and overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to keep your skin and body hydrated from the inside out. Consistent hydration helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking fresh and vibrant. Next, invest in a good moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it religiously morning and night. A quality moisturizer helps lock in hydration and creates a protective barrier against environmental stresses. Don't forget your neck and décolletage. These areas often get neglected but show signs of aging quickly. Treat them with the same care as your face to maintain a youthful appearance all over. We are what we eat, right? And that couldn't be truer when it comes to our skin. The food we consume directly impacts our skin's health and appearance. So, what should you be loading up on for that youthful glow? Antioxidants are your new best friends. They fight off those pesky free radicals that damage our skin and accelerate aging. Think colourful fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach and kale. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help protect and repair your skin. Don't shy away from healthy fats either. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, avocados and nuts are essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and keeping it supple and youthful. All right, let's talk skincare routine. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, having a step-by-step guide can make all the difference. A consistent and effective routine is like a magic potion for your skin. It can transform your complexion, making it healthier and more radiant over time. But remember, everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what suits your skin type and concerns best. Start with a gentle cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without stripping away your skin's natural oils. This is the foundation of any good skincare routine. Cleansing is crucial, both morning and night, to create a clean canvas for the rest of your products. Next up, exfoliation. This step is often overlooked, but is essential for maintaining healthy skin. This step is all about removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. It helps your other products penetrate better and work more effectively. Aim to exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Over-exfoliating can cause irritation, so listen to your skin. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse ingredients, retinoids. These are a game changer in any skincare routine. These vitamin A derivatives work wonders in boosting collagen production, reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. They can also help with acne and hyperpigmentation. And of course, no skincare routine is complete without serums. These are the heavy lifters in your routine. These potent formulas deliver a concentrated dose of active ingredients to target specific skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, fine lines, or dryness. Choose a serum that addresses your particular needs for the best results. Here's a secret. Achieving youthful skin goes beyond just skincare products. It's about adopting a holistic approach that includes healthy lifestyle habits. First and foremost, prioritize sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your skin shows it. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate itself. Stress is another culprit behind premature aging. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Speaking of exercise, it's not just good for your body, but amazing for your skin too. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, giving you that healthy glow. We've talked about the good habits, but now it's time to address the not-so-good ones, the habits that can sabotage your journey to youthful skin. Let's start with smoking. We all know it's terrible for our health, but it's equally damaging to our skin. Smoking accelerates aging, leading to wrinkles, dullness, and uneven skin tone. Excessive alcohol consumption is another culprit. It dehydrates your skin, making it look dull and tired. Plus, it can worsen existing skin conditions like rosacea. And let's not forget about the importance of a balanced diet. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to breakouts and inflammation. Now, while a consistent skincare routine and healthy lifestyle habits go a long way, sometimes we need a little extra help. And that's where professional treatments come in. Think of professional treatments as a boost for your skin, helping you achieve even more dramatic and long-lasting results. Chemical peels are excellent for exfoliating dead skin cells, improving skin texture, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Microneedling is another popular treatment that involves creating tiny punctures in the skin to stimulate collagen production and improve the appearance of acne scars, wrinkles, and stretch marks. And if you're dealing with stubborn pigmentation issues or want to tighten and tone your skin, laser treatments can work wonders. We've covered a lot today, from skincare routines to lifestyle habits and professional treatments, but there's one crucial element that ties everything together: consistency. Think of your skincare journey like a marathon, not a sprint. You won't see results overnight, and that's okay. It takes time, dedication, and patience to achieve that youthful, radiant complexion. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stick to your routine, be patient, and trust the process. Your skin will thank you for it. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. So listen to your skin, adjust your routine as needed, and don't be afraid to experiment. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to achieving youthful and radiant skin. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to take control of your skincare journey with confidence. Remember, maintaining youthful skin is a journey that requires dedication, consistency, and a positive mindset. But trust me, the results are absolutely worth it. Stay tuned for more skincare tips, tricks, and expert advice. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos and updates. Until next time, take care of your beautiful skin and stay radiant.